find this bug, you have to go to eSteem and you have to do exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, so when I'm in a post, I can easily click on this back button, click in this back button to go back, or easily just by clicking uh, in this black button provided by Android, I can do the same, you know. So let's see. Yeah, this back button working. Yeah, and I am able to go to my previous page, and also by clicking this button I can do the same. But when I'm in a comment, I can go back with only this button, with only this Android, yeah, button of my Android phone. But the bug is that when I click on this button provided by eSteam, uh, it doesn't work actually, and it go worse than work. Let me show you. Uh, let's see if this back button provided by Android, if it's work. Yeah, it's working. I can go to my previous page. Also, I can go to my previous page. But let's see what is the bug here. Okay, I'm in a comment, and I've clicked on this back button, and this is not working actually. As you can see, this is not working. So now let's try this button, this Android back button. As you can see, the post is absolutely gone. The post is not here, and also the content was not there. Absolutely gone. Everything is gone. It's like a blank page. So let's try it again. Like I'm in a post. I want to write a comment, but I don't want to write it or something like that. So I hit that back button provided by eSteam app. Okay, it's not working. So let's try my Android phone back button, and boom, this page is blank. There is nothing here. As you can see, guys, there is nothing here, and I mean the content is not here. So this is the bug. I hope you understand this bug, and I hope uh, you can reproduce it as I'm doing here, and I hope you'll consider it as a eSteam comment back button bug. See you soon. Thank you, everyone.